Looking for a glove box door? We got glove box doors. You're looking for a button? We got buttons. You're looking for this? It's not for sale. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MKBU099. This is our 1989 Buick Reatta, the fourth car we've done in the time it takes Andy to take apart one Viper.
You do it!
No, that's why I'm the supervisor.
Supervise me
What is going on here?
not having the will to live.
Adhesive. Anyways, 1989 Buick Reatta. Let's get back to things that matter here. Decently average car, I guess. I don't know what you would call this. Good from afar, but far from good. Step inside here. Only got 51,000 miles on it, though. Just because it's low miles does not mean it's nice, but this one is pretty good condition. Running out of things to say. It's a Buick Reatta. 3,800 under the hood being sold. Man, this test video is just a giant fail. Giant. Anyways. A lot of good parts on this unit. We will have all these body parts you see here listed for sale. Take a look inside here at the interior because that's what's most important on these. Very nice garnet red door panels, leather seat set. Not a passenger door panel. Let's see if the CRT works. Does not look like we have a good CRT here. That sucks. Cluster works though. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission. We've got reverse, we've got drive, we've got park. All the things you could ask for in a transmission. Dashboard's very clean. If you guys are looking for one of these, maybe got a cracked up, jacked up, messed up one, we got you covered. Looking for a glove box door? We got glove box doors. You're looking for a button? We got buttons. You're looking for this? It's not for sale. What else is in here? Parts. Lots of parts. Parts for sale. Some parts are not for sale. You be the judge of that. 3,800 was running good there. We'll pull the dipstick really fast so you guys can take a look at the oil. Yeah, it definitely needs a change. Not gonna lie there, but who knows? Buick owners. Look at the oil cap. So obviously no major issues with that engine there. Nice loaded front bumper. I'm gonna have to take the old life support off here so we can take a look at it. Bear with me here. That is our latest addition here, the PowerMax RV inverter. Shout out to the PowerMax Amazon inverters, man. These things have saved our lives after these old junk boxes. That's what we'll call them. The old junk boxes stopped working here. Boom. Nice front end on this car. Passenger headlights kind of a little lazy.
They both are. The motors are a little janky.
It's 2021, bro. Let's just say the motors are not as good as they once were. That is the most politically correct way to say that they still work, but they're not what they were. We're gonna get those listed for sale complete. We'll have a nice OEM hood on this. Front bumper with fog lamps. It's gonna need a respray. All the body parts are good on this thing except for the rear. She took a very, very light pop. I don't know. You ever have one of those days where you're not on the mark? I'm not on the mark today with the Buick Reatta. It's a Buick. I've run out of cool and funny things to say about it. That is going to wrap it up for MKBU099. Maybe these guys got something funny to say in the background.
I'm stuck!
Andy's stuck. This is seriously a sight. Here's Lee just watching. We got one guy watching, one guy holding a heat gun, and the other guy's
Digging away. You like my homemade scraper?
Okay, all right. This is a train wreck of a test video, guys. If you made it this far, like, comment, share, subscribe so other people can laugh in our misery. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Thanks for watching.